today's health alert, women dealing with hot flashes could soon have a new relief option. The FDA has approved a non-hormonal drug designed to help ease those uncomfortable menopause symptoms. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joins us now. And Doc, what exactly is the new drug and how is this working?
Yeah, it's exciting to me. This new drug shows real promise and potential to cool hot flashes. So elinzanetant, not an easy name to say, which will be sold under the brand name, much easier to say, Lenquet, works in the brain, not with hormones. Here's how it works, right? During menopause, women start producing less of the hormone estrogen. As levels drop, nerves in the brain's hypothalamus that help control the body's internal temperature can get overactive. This sends out too many signals, chemical signals rather, called neurokinins, which trigger hot flashes. That's when a woman suddenly starts feeling hot in the face, head and chest. You know, lots of women can attest to this. Symptoms can include flushing and sweating, all of which can last a few minutes and can feel quite disruptive. Now, elinzanetant works by blocking two specific brain receptors called neurokinin 1 and neurokinin 3, which trigger these sudden surges of heat. And in clinical trials involving more than 600 postmenopausal women, those taking 120 milligrams of this elinzanetant saw a 73% drop in hot flashes and night sweats just after 12 weeks. Even more encouraging, women also reported better sleep and higher quality of life. These effects lasted for over a year, which is great.
So why is it such a big deal about non-hormonal?
Yeah, exactly, right? So some women, Glenn, that cannot take hormone replacement therapy, for example, those with a history of blood clots, heart disease, and certain types of cancer like breast and ovarian. That's a bunch of people. Also, some women may not want to take hormones, right? The risks are different for each person and depends on the individual health factor. So it's important to talk to your doctor. As for side effects, the most common ones that we found here were drowsiness, fatigue, and headaches. Some women did show temporary increases in liver enzyme levels. Out of more than 300 women on elinzanetant, 6 had mild or moderate elevations, most of which resolved on their own, and only 1 led to stopping treatment. Importantly, there were no serious liver problems. It's also worth noting that rare side effects sometimes only show up once a drug is used by a larger population. So this is why doctors will continue to monitor safety closely as more women take it. But for many who struggle with these hot flashes or night sweats, this could make a real difference and should be available in the U.S. starting in November. I can't tell you throughout my career how many of my nurses turn their temperature down or up. Yeah. It's just crazy. It can be life altering. So this is a great alternative.
All right. Great to have another option. Sure,
exactly.
For sure. Thanks a lot, Doc.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right. Appreciate that. If you have a health question for the good doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi at AskDrNandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or X, and we'll get it right to him.